Engineered for palm oil producers who demand industrial-grade efficiency and tropical resilience, the Henan Glory 500 kg per hour palm oil press machine redefines profitability in harsh operating conditions. When it is on work, we need to put the pre-treated palm fruits into the hopper of palm oil press machine, and then the palm fruits will flow into the pressing chamber. Next, the palm oil press machine will use pressure and friction from the screw drives to move as well as to compress the palm fruit. After that, the red palm oil is expelled and then seeps through the small openings into a container. These openings are very small, which can prevent any kind of solid material or residue from the palm fruit to mix with the extracted red palm oil. As for the mixture of palm nuts and fibers, it will be discharged from the end of the palm oil press machine. From fresh palm fruit feeding to red palm oil extraction, our 500 kg per hour palm oil press machine achieves high oil yield. This remarkable 500 kg per hour palm oil press machine is designed with a reasonable structure, ensuring easy operation and maintenance. You have the flexibility to power it with either a motor or diesel engine. It is suitable for private users or small palm oil mills to extract palm oil quickly and efficiently. The final palm oil is red palm oil. You can use it directly as cooking oil or sell it to a refinery for further processing. In addition, the 500 kg per hour palm oil press machine can be used alone or in conjunction with other palm oil processing machines such as palm fruit thresher, palm oil filter, etc. If you want to build up your own palm oil pressing plant or start your own palm oil processing business, please feel free to contact with us for more detailed information about palm oil machine.